My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on Applied Data Science with Python. This is lecture number 263. In this lecture, I will continue my discussion on Amazon Fine Food Review dataset. In this particular lecture, I will discuss about bigrams and n-grams. Before understanding this lecture, I request you to go through lecture number 256, in which I discussed this what is bigram. I defined what is bigram. I defined what is n-gram. All what you have to do, just if you observe this code, how to get bigram. It's actually one line of code. That is the fun part here. All you have to say, in count vectorizer, there is a parameter called n-gram underscore range. Just see, this is my count vectorizer, in which you have a parameter known as n-gram underscore range, which is equal to, we are initializing with 1, 2. Let's go to the definition for count vectorizer. I told you that I will explain what is n-gram range. If you go and check what is n-gram range is, it's basically, let me show that one. What is this particular n-gram range? This is the documentation. I am requesting you to go through this documentation. This documentation is very, very important. If you observe this one, again it is in sklearn, sklearn.feature underscore extraction dot text count vectorizer. In this count vectorizer, I have, as I told you, I have a parameter known as n-gram underscore range. By default, its value is 1, 1. What is this n-gram underscore range? We will try to understand. Basically, it is a tuple. Just see, it is a tuple. Let me say like this. If you say min underscore n is 1 and max underscore n is 2, what does it mean? What it will do here? It will get all unigrams. It will get all unigrams and bigrams. You will get unigrams as well as bigrams, isn't it? We will try to understand. It says lower and upper bound. Min underscore n is lower bound. Max underscore n is upper bound. It says the lower and upper boundary of the range of n-grams. Just see, the lower and upper boundary of the range of n values for different n-grams. This is the relation min underscore n is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to max underscore n. What is the meaning of 1, 1? That is only unigrams. What is the meaning of 1, 2 means unigrams and bigrams. 2, 2 means only bigrams. We will try to understand this. Just say this one. Again, I am repeating. What is the meaning of 1, 1? As I told you, 1, 1 means unigrams. What is the meaning of 2, 2? 2, 2 meaning is bigram. If I say 3, 3, what does it mean? Basically, it is trigram, isn't it? It is simple and straightforward. If you observe, as I told you, 1, 1 is unigram, 2, 2 is bigram, 3, 3 is trigram. What about 1, 2? This also I discussed. You will get unigrams, you will also get bigrams. If I say 1, 3, what does it mean? 1, 3 means you will get unigrams, bigrams, even you will get trigrams. If I say 1, 4, what will you get for 1, 4? You will get unigrams, you will get unigrams, you will get bigrams, you will get trigrams, you will get 4 grams. Isn't it? It's simple and straightforward. Anybody can understand this. If n-gram underscore range equal to 2, 3, what does it mean? what will you get? You will get bigrams, you will get trigrams, isn't it? This is n-gram underscore range. This code is simple and straightforward. What is this? I already discussed about count vectorizer. We discussed the syntax of count vectorizer, isn't it? What is this count vectorizer? We will try to understand this. What it says, just see this one. What it says? Count underscore vector is equal to count vectorizer, n-gram range equal to 1, 2. What is the meaning of 1, 2? You will get unigrams as well as bigrams. I will discuss about min underscore df and max underscore features in natural language process classes in future. I will spend lot of time on these two parameters. Timing just underscore n-gram underscore range of 1, 2 means you will get unigrams as well as bigrams. Final underscore bigram underscore count equal to count underscore vector. This is my variable, my object. Fit underscore transform. I already discussed about this fit underscore transform in my previous classes also. What is the meaning of fit underscore transform? What will it do? Learn the vocabulary. Learn the vocabulary. Learn the vocabulary dictionary. I can say learn the vocabulary dictionary and returns document term matrix. Returns document term matrix. What is this document term matrix? What is vocabulary? I already discussed. This is preprocessed underscore reviews. We know what is preprocessed underscore reviews. I already discussed what is preprocessed underscore reviews. Type, we know the type. Just let me show the output so that you can understand. Just see this output. What it says, just see. What is my first print statement? The type of count vectorizer. Just see the type of count vectorizers. This is sparse matrix basically, isn't it? Type of final underscore bigram underscore counts, isn't it? The shape of the bag of words vectorizer, how will I get? I can say get underscore shape. If I say get underscore shape, what will I get? I will get 49863144. What does it mean? I have how many reviews now I have? Review 1, review 2, so on. My last review is 4986. What are the how many features I have? F1, F2, so on, F3144. This is basically, it is something like table. How many columns I have in this particular table? I have 3144 columns and 4986 rows. It is simple and straightforward. Number of unique words including both unigrams and bigrams. How will I get? That is final underscore bigram underscore count. Get shape of 1. Shape of 1 means you will get number of the unique features. What is the column names? How many columns are there? There are 3144, isn't it? This is simple and straightforward. You can understand what is bigram, what is unigram, what is n-gram. Just go through this lecture. In my next lecture, I will discuss about TF-IDF. Thank you very much.